Bianca Gonzalez and Robbie Domingo welcomed the opportunity to work with Gabby Garcia and Mavi Legaspi, their co-hosts for the upcoming Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Edition collab. At Saturday's media conference, Bianca said that she's happy to have more siblings in the PBB family. Ako kasi, I've been hosting the show, same as what they said, for 19 years, she said. After becoming a housemate, Bianca hosted the next seasons of the reality show. For the longest time, meron kaming template ni Tony, Gonzaga, Mariel, Padilla, at ako on how to do the show, and that's all I knew, she said. Changes were made over the years, including sharing hosting duties with PBB alumni Robbie and Melay Cantiveros. I love learning from them. And I've told them this na ay may iba pa palang way on how to host PAB. Hindi lang kung ano yung nakasanayan namin, yun na yun, she said. Bianca said that she's looking forward to the new flavors and learnings Gabby and Mavi will bring. Parang kumbaga may pamilya ni Kuya kami, tapos mag-iiba rin yung dynamics dahil madidagdagan ng saya, she said. Robbie agreed, saying he feels genuine happiness. The edition will mark his first time working with Mavi, while it is his first big TV project with Gabby. We're just really happy kasi nadidagdagan yung pamilya, he said, adding that the two Sparkle stars will help them know the Kapuso crowd. It really works. It's a big collab, but for me it's a big collab, Robbie said. As a piece of advice for Mavi, Alexa Ilacad reminded him about the importance of balancing fun and serious times. Kasi may times, kapag nag-host, since everything's live, it's like you're always on your toes thinking of what to say, what to banter with your co-host or with the housemate or with the audience, and may times na sa sobrang enjoy mo, nakikarried away ka, she said. Also serving as hosts for Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Edition collab, are Melay, and Chong D, and Kim Chu. It will start airing for the first time on GMA Network on March 9. The major collaboration is in celebration of the show's 20th anniversary this year.